Amy Sindicic here. Welcome to Grammar in a Nutshell, Present Perfect Continuous. Present Perfect Continuous is used for events or actions that began in the past and are still in progress. For example, we started the project last month and we are still working on it. They have been constructing the tower for the past 5 years. We have no idea when they will finish. They have been studying all night. She has been working there for 5 years. For the past 5 years or for 5 years, whatever. Okay, present perfect continuous form. Subject, have or has been, and present participle. I have been teaching. You have been dancing. He, she, it has been painting. We have been leaving. You have been coming. They have been eating. Present perfect continuous negative. Subject, have or has not, been, and present participle. I have not been teaching. You have not been dancing. He, she, it has not been painting. We have not been leaving. You have not been coming. They have not been eating. With contractions, a subject, the contraction of have been, the present participle. I've been teaching, you've been dancing, he's been painting, she's been painting, it's been painting, we've been leaving, you've been coming, they've been eating. Here, present perfect continuous negative contractions. Subject, haven't or hasn't been, and present participle. I haven't been teaching, you haven't been dancing, he, she, it hasn't been painting, we haven't been leaving, you haven't been coming, they haven't been eating. For reference, here's a comparison of present simple and present participle. Simply add ing. Teach, teaching, dance, dancing, paint, painting, leave, leaving, come, coming, eat, eating. Here, present perfect continuous questions. Have plus subject plus been plus present participle. Have I been teaching? Have you been painting? Has he, she, it been painting? Have we been leaving? Have you been coming? Have they been eating? The present perfect continuous questions are used to talk about something that started in the past and continues up until now. Have you been working there long? Have you been jogging lately? So here, present perfect continuous questions and answers. Have you been doing your homework? Answer, yes, I have. Have you been studying? Negative answer, no, I haven't. Thank you for visiting me at Grammar in a Nutshell. Please visit me at amysindicic.com. Thank you.